Tongolo community is found on top of the hill where they had the challenge of getting clean and reliable water. Children were all over going down to fetch the water, and the women more so, and this was really the challenge. As maintenance palace, we are responsible for installing a solar system, and this included the solar panels, batteries, inverters and other accessories. The batteries were included because we wanted also to make the system 24 hours pumping because of the demand of the water. The estimated quantity of water per day is 50,000 liters according to the community, and we expect this water to reach around 3,000 people in the community. As maintenance palace, we have done this, and we believe that really to be an impact to the community. Lives are going to change, children are going to go to school early, and also the women are going to take care of other important issues because water is close to them.
From the solar panels, when power comes in the energy center, we harvest it in the DC combiner box. We have the charger controllers which regulate the power from the panels. We have the batteries because we would want to pump in the night and also to provide some other power to some loads like the lights and sockets.
We are so glad. We want to thank our partners, we want to thank the community leaders, we want to thank also the community for offering such a place that this can be possible. We thank you for the cooperation that this has been achieved, and we believe that if the community can take over this project, we expect them and we request them to protect it and use it responsibly. Water is life.